trying to be a fluent English speaker? Are you trying to improve your pronunciation? Are you trying to better your accent? Are you spending many hours practicing pronunciation, reading a lot, and you're giving all your effort, putting all your energy into pronouncing words correctly, but yet every time a new sound comes up, a new pronunciation comes up, and you get confused how to pronounce these words correctly? Are these your problem? If they are, then watch my video to know what is that important thing you are missing out to improve your pronunciation and better your accent. This is Irene, welcoming you all to a brand new video from Educare. In most languages, letters represent sounds, but in English, each letter not necessarily represent the same sound every time. For example, the letter C in the word cup sounds like K, makes a sound like K, K, cup, cup, K, K, cup. But it changes when it's used in the word place, it sounds more like S. And again, it sounds more like ch when it is used with the H in the word chocolate. It sounds more like ch, ch. But again, in the word ache, when again it's put together, ch, it sounds like again like K. Ache, ache. It sounds again like K. Frustrating, right? Hell confusing. It's the same letter and it's used with the same letter again, yet it sounds so differently every time. Don't freak out. I understand how you feel and I have exactly the right solution for you to understand how to pronounce each letters when, where and how. To ease out your confusion, how to pronounce the words as they keep on changing, as their pronunciation keep on changing, I'd suggest you to follow the IPA. Now confused more? Well, if you don't know what is the IPA, IPA is the International Phonetic Alphabet. In IPA, each sound has a unique symbol which will help you understand how you should pronounce those sounds. Like how you can pronounce, if you go on Google and if you search the word charity in Oxford Dictionary or in Google, you'll see that under the word charity there are some symbols written. You will notice there are some symbols. Those symbols represent the sound that should be made to pronounce the word charity correctly. In English, there are 26 letters, but in IPA, there are 44 symbols that represent different sounds. And it is very important if you really want to correct and perfect your English pronunciation. If you really want to sound like a native speaker, you have to really learn those symbols, understand them, how the sound changes, which symbol represents which sound, and how you can remember them and you can use them to pronounce every new word that comes at your way. If you know those symbols, instantly you can understand what is the correct pronunciation of any word that comes your way. Now, if you're thinking, oh my God, how can I learn these 44 different symbols? Don't panic. I will be uploading another video on my channel about each of these sounds. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you haven't hit the bell button, do subscribe to my channel now. Hit the bell button to stay updated, to know immediately after I upload my next video where I will be explaining each of the symbols of the IPA. And you can learn easily, you can easily understand and improve your pronunciation and better your accent. So if you find this video helpful, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button, do let me know in the comment section below and share this video. This is Irene signing off for today. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.